Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Fluffy Adams, the Angel Wolf, and I'm here with Ace, my African wild dog, Webkin. It's the signature African wild dog, and yeah, it's Ace, and I just wanted to say happy Saturday, and here's a shout out to Blizzard Queen, the wolf, and yeah, I just wanted to say happy Saturday to Blizzard, and hope she is having a great day, and she's my real life best friend, and I miss her, and I miss her dog, Jack, as well, and yeah, but thanks for watching this video. Please do comment, rate, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell right in the face. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.